During our school, we all have read in science books that energy can neither be created nor be destroyed. It just gets transformed from one form to another. Just like energy, all the information in our universe gets transformed from one form to other. It cannot be destroyed according to law of conservation of information in quantum mechanics. Even if the source is destroyed, its information is still conserved as stated in quantum mechanics. Today on Scienceyogi, we are going to unbox a new paradox related to the information conservation law, that is the black hole information paradox. Before going directly towards the paradox, let's take a stroll around a black hole. Black holes have become a topic of interest since the first real image of it was released by Event Horizon Telescope. We all know that black holes are cosmic bodies in space-time which have extremely strong gravity and nothing, not even light, can escape from its region. Black hole is formed when a massive star is died. We came to know about the detailed structure and behavior of black holes through studying general theory of relativity by Einstein. Physicists all over the world have been studying black holes from decades. Now, let's understand the behavior of a black hole in two aspects. Firstly, considering general theory of relativity, black holes are formed after their matter density becomes large and the gravity pulls all the objects, things including light, towards its center point known as singularity. Due to this phenomenon, we cannot see what's happening inside the black hole. In fact, we can detect black hole in space due to the events changing around its space-time. So according to general relativity, physical information too cannot escape from event horizon of a black hole. Now let's understand the quantum mechanics approach. Stephen Hawking in 1974 put forward a calculation on black holes' behavior. The outcomes of this calculation stated that while considering quantum physics effect, a black hole radiates and in fact loses its mass too. The radiation emitted by black holes is named as Hawking radiation. The Hawking radiation emitted by black hole after pulling all objects and light in its vicinity is studied further. The radiation is nothing more than heat. This radiation did not contain any information of the objects which got immersed in black hole. So, both of these approaches of studying black holes give rise to the question, if all the information is conserved in universe, then where all the information inside the black hole goes? This is the black hole paradox information. Let's understand this paradox in simple way. Now let's take an instance where you have thrown a book inside a black hole. You will now see that black hole is pulling your book inside its event horizon. There will be no visual of your book in no time. So if you consider the law of conservation of information, then even after the book got immersed inside black hole, its physical information should get conserved. But if you look out through general relativity theory aspect and Hawking radiation concept, then you will come to know that black hole has consumed the book along with its physical information too. It's contradictory, right? Even most of the physicists are still scratching their head while trying to solve this paradox. The modern approach to this paradox is that many physicists believe that depth analysis of Hawking radiation will help to reconstruct the physical information of objects falling into black hole. Despite of doing numerous studies, it is still problematic to predict the actual behavior of black holes. There can be a good possibility that the physical or quantum information of object consumed by black hole gets transferred to another universe or maybe have got looped in space-time. The only satisfaction is that whenever we try to solve such paradoxes, we get to learn something new and exciting every time. Or what else a curious mind could expect of. So this is it for today. Scienceyogi will also study about this paradox further and keep you updated regarding any new discovery. Hope you will also love to explore this paradox more. If you find any possible solution to this paradox, then do let us know by hitting them in comment section. We would love to hear from you. Till then, wait for a new exciting episode on another mind-boggling paradox on Scienceyogi.